Good morning, everyone. I am just prepping my next set of orders. I am still waiting on grinders. I am so upset. So upset. So hopefully they come. They were supposed to come yesterday. Well, first off, they were supposed to come. Let me sit down because I am really upset. They were supposed to come, what was that? The 13th, which was Monday, I think, right? Yeah, because today is the 15th. Yeah. So yesterday, they were saying they were on their way. They'll be here by 8. Didn't show up. So today I checked the website, and it should be here today. If not, I'm just going to be so upset. I'm out of grinders. I'm out of jars. I'm out of ashtrays. Like... I'm just out of everything right now. Like, I mean, I guess that's a good sign that I sold everything. I sold out of everything. But I'm still getting orders. So that's the problem. So I'm going to go grab some jars. Try to go find some ashtrays because I usually get my ashtrays offline. And I don't want to order them offline because obviously they're taking all day. It is the holiday season, so it's taking a little more time than normal. That's why I'm trying to get my orders out so everyone can have everything before Christmas. So I'm just going to calm down. Woosah. Go to the post office to send the ones that I do have done that didn't need grinders. I got those orders done, but then I still got like so many more orders left. So, okay, let me go start my day because I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. I am working from home, my full-time job, so I'm all over the place. So I'm going to go on my hour break, which I already took my hour break and took a nap, but it's okay. I'm just going to have to make that hour up one day out of this week, but so I'm just gonna go to the post office right now, mail these ones off. It's like all of these here, and then I'm like, my goal is to clean my office space. Like I said, I'm still in the process of moving, so I'm packing, and I've been packing for months, guys, because I had so much stuff, and it still seems like it's so much left. So I'm like in the process of getting everything together because, like I said, I'm still moving. I'm just starting very, very early due to the fact that I have so much stuff. So, yeah, I will show you guys, but it's just so embarrassing. It's like so much stuff because I'm a decorator, planner, party planner as well. So I have a whole bunch of that type of stuff. I threw a lot of that stuff away, and I still got a lot more. And all my crafting stuff. It's a lot. So, and we're going to pray that my kids got me that Cricut 3. I swear. Man. My kids make their own, both of my kids, they make their own money. So, they better have me that Cricut 3.